Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I create art using Microsoft Office shapes. I also share tips on Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Today I'm going to show you how to make a easy background in PowerPoint. So we start with PowerPoint here, insert, shapes, choose the rectangle, and just cover the whole slide, like so. Click here on Format Shape, go to Fill, go to Gradient, and I've already set 3 color stops: yellow, green, and blue. I've set it to rectangular type, and the direction is here in the last one. And when you start out, you might have all 3 blue colors, like so. Maybe something like that. It'll be like that, and that looks nice. But what you can do is you can add your own colors here, like I did. I'm just going to go back to that. You can add additional color stops here. So you can add a bit of a red here, make it smaller if you wanted to. Put the company colors, and you can add as many as you want here. So that's just one way of doing a background. You could do other things as well. Radio, path, and it's just selecting the type. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.